Hey, hi, Lisa Marie here. So part 2 of the 5 dinners in 1 hour, but I actually had the recipes and the assembly for 7 dinners, and one of them we're gonna have tonight. So I thought I would show you the completed way they all look. So I'm making the little mini meatloaves stuffed with cheese, and these are the ingredients. But here are 2 bags for this one meal, which is the sheet pan sausage, and it has potatoes and carrots. This is the maple chicken. This is the breakfast pizza. Here is the Parmesan crusted tilapia. Here is the slow cook hash brown casserole. And here are the chicken enchiladas with the pumpkin cream sauce, which is right there. So crazy, so amazing. Actually pretty stinking easy to follow the directions and get everything in. And so the only difference is the day of cooking, some of them add different ingredients or they have a side. Almost all of these call for rice. I still can't do rice. So we have riced cauliflower steamers. They're like a medley of cauliflower, rice, and something. Or I replace it with just a different vegetable that we're going to do. So there you have it. And it actually took me an hour and a half to do the 6 meals, 7 kind of. I started the 7th one and went, oh my gosh, I should probably show you. So it did take me a little longer because, you know, this is only my 2nd time doing it, but I can't wait. I'm so excited. Hubby and the grandson and daughter can actually just look at the directions, see what time something needs to go in the oven. Done. We're all fed by a normal supper time, and there we have it. The only disadvantage to the program is it does not give you the calorie, protein, carb breakdown. And the reason for that is because I might use low-fat mayo and you use whole mayo. I might use skim mozzarella and you use whole mozzarella. It depends on the meat and the cut. You know, if you use chicken, all of the meats are interchangeable. So you can use ham, pork, beef, chicken, turkey, fish. They're all interchangeable. So they can't really give the calories even though they specify for the recipe. And also because some people do it for 4 and then they do it for 6 and some people do it for 2 and some people do it for 10. I guess it just really depends. And I'm sure somewhere out there is a program that can calculate all of that. Easy peasy, but oh well. So I've just been adding in the ingredients per the recipe with the things that I'm using under MyFitnessPal. And in MyFitnessPal, I put it all in and say how many servings it is. So when I do these, they're for 4. And then I put what it says. A 1/3 cup of whatever, a 1/2 cup of whatever it is, that's what I do. And then it shows me the calories per hour servings. And my serving isn't really a whole serving, so I kind of get 2 out of 1, but I think it's really neat and thought I'd share with you. If you're interested, it is called 5dinners1hour.com, and I think they're having like a trial week of something, and they let you pick a week to do, or they give you a week, I don't know which, and it's pretty awesome. And you can pick from 2 different versions. Classic, which is kind of like comfort food, kid-friendly more, and then the other one is clean eating. And I mix them up because of our family, but this whole week is all, oh no, there were 2 classics and the other 5 are clean eating. But I thought I'd share with you and show you what it was, and then just show you again. There are all of our meals that are going to go in the refrigerator ready for this week. Amazing, right? And all done in an hour and a half here, and it probably took me maybe an hour at the grocery store because I stuck to the list. I added a few things that we needed for the house here, but really, all in all, for 2.5 hours and the week is ready, I think it's pretty awesome. So I love ya. Have a great night, and I will talk to you sometime this week. See ya. Bye.